Hey there, YouTube. Today is Saturday, April the 13th, 2019. It's 6 something in the evening. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do a couple of different orbit tests. I'm back out here at this same old park. It's extremely windy today. I don't know if you hear this or not, but boy, the Evo is really fighting this wind. But here's what I want to do. That's my car right there. I'm going to try to orbit it at first. And we'll just do a basic orbit where we go over it and set the point. If you look down there on the ground, you'll see the Anafi and the Karma too. I'm going to try both of them as well. So I'm going to lift this up. And I'm just going to fly right over top of the car here. Let's look straight down. Wow, yeah, this wind, my goodness, it is pushing everything bad. And close enough to the center, I guess. Let me set this up for orbit. Let's see if it'll let me do it. Okay, yep, I didn't think so because of the altitude. So let me go up. As it says, to 33 feet. And I am there. Okay, so we're going to set A. Now I'm just going to come out a little bit. Let's see, let's just set it about like so. I'll set A. Yeah, clockwise, that's good enough. All right, so it's moving. Let's see how this looks. And I mean, this wind has got to be at least 20 miles an hour. So this is a very, very strong wind. And I'm just flying everything in auto again, 4K, 30 frames a second. Just so everything can be even on this, on the Anafi, and on the Karma. Wow, man, I'm looking at it, and I mean, the wind is just beating it to pieces. Wow, I've seen the video jumping there. That's crazy. All right, so there's that. All right, so I've paused it, and I'm going to exit it. All right, so I'm going to land this, and then we'll try the next one. On the whole car, it seems to be backing up and lifting up. All right, now let's go ahead and hold this stick. And let's see if it can do this. And boy, every time it gets on that side, I mean, it just goes nuts. But there you go. So that was a crappy test. All right, well, let me get one good thing out of this. Look up in the sky. The moon is somewhere up there. Not exactly sure where. It's hard to see on this, but you know, that's that. All right. Let's see. One last thing I can do. There you go. There's our zoom. All right. I'm going to bring this thing back over here. I want to land it. All right, there it goes. All right, so I just set the orbit up. I couldn't get this thing to record beforehand, but it seems to be recording this now. So I'm doing the orbit. I just flew over top of the car, set that point, came back, told it to take off, and well, here you go. This is also 4K 30, This is a GoPro Hero 5 Black. So here it comes right around. Alright, it'll just keep doing it. So let me hit the pause.
Auto shot path, pause.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just bring this and land it. Then we're going to take it over and we're going to do another one. Alright, so this time I'm flying the Karma first. As you can see, I always have to set it up. And it's going around the building. Very good. Above all the trees and everything. See, it's keeping it very, very good. This is 4K 30 again. And it's almost back around. All right, we'll stop it.
Auto shot path, paused.
All right, cool. All right, everybody, so I'm going to tell you, I've had a lot of problems with this gimbal trying to get it recalibrated to level, but I think I finally done it. But anyhow, let's go ahead and do this test. Now, you saw I did the Karma first. All right, let's see when she takes off. All right, there it goes. It's definitely fighting the wind. I'll tell you, this wind is crazy today. Ooh, see, you saw it skip right there. Ooh, a little bit more there. See, that's all wind. So I am curious to see these all the way through on my computer and see what they actually look like and what they do. But I mean, as far as the orbit itself, I got to admit, it's actually doing this one, I think, about the best that I've seen it, other than, of course, the jumping because of the wind. But short of that, it's not bad. All right, so it's going to come right back around here. I'll let it get right back in front of it. And then we'll stop it. And then we'll try the Anafi again if we can. Okay, everybody, this is the last one. This is the Anafi. I got it up in the air. So let me get it up here and we'll do right. Okay, it's counting down. Whoa, it's that moving. Boy, it's fighting the wind, I gotta tell you. I think it was like almost sideways. Alright, yeah, so it's definitely doing this a lot better. Okay, so that part there was definitely not great. But it was definitely an improvement. Alright, and right now it's saying it made the full circle. Okay, good. Now, we'll try one to the left here, just to test it. I pulled it back a little bit, set it up again to go around this, and it's moving. Boy, I gotta tell you, it's kind of funny to watch it fight in the wind. It's like it almost goes sideways at some points. So I'm definitely going to be highly interested in this video. It's about halfway done. You see the bright sun out there. See, I can even zoom in while it's doing this. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's it. Alright, we're going to stop that. Now, we're just going to bring it back over here and land it. Then we're going to call this test done. So at least I did find an orbit on this. Don't know why that didn't pop up before, but it didn't seem to. But let's get this down on the ground.